Hey guys, Derek White here from TopEnhancementReviews.com, and today I got my hands on the Bathmate Hercules. This is one of Bathmate's first models, and it's what inspired the Hydromax X30. I picked one up so we could take a look at it and compare it to the newer models. So the Bathmate Hercules is the precursor to the Bathmate X30. It's the same size as that particular model, but comes with many of the upgrades that the X30 has, or the X40 even. So that being said, you shouldn't rule out the Bathmate Hercules because it is still a really high quality pump, especially for those of you who are on a budget, as it's nearly 50% of the price of the Hydromax series. So let's get into some of this pump specs. The Bathmate Hercules is the same size as the Hydromax X30, roughly, give or take. You know, it's not hardly any difference in size. So here are the two side by side, so you can check it out. This one is the Hydromax X30. This one is the Hydromax X30. As you can see, it has the comfort pad. It's got some extra suction capability with some, you know, it seals off all the different holes that they may have. So, but there they are side by side. A few different features. I mean, you can check out my original Bathmate review, and I get into what's involved in this particular pump. Excuse me. So, if this is your first time looking into the Bathmate, I'll give you some of the specs of the Bathmate Hercules and how it works. So, here's a Bathmate. You put your penis in here after filling the Bathmate with warm water. Give it 1 or 2 pumps until it has a good suction. Note, it should never hurt. If it hurts, release some of the pressure at the top. You can just, you know, press that in and it releases the pressure. Now start off with 5 minutes of suction during your first session, and slowly work up to no more. This is key. You can't do it any more than 20 minutes per session, but work up to 20 minutes over the course of 2 weeks or so. Or if that's still a bit fast, then make it 3 weeks. Just send me an email for any questions on my website that you may have, and I can answer any of those questions specifically for you. So if you do this for 3 to 6 months, you'll see a permanent 1 to 2 inch girth expansion and an equivalent length expansion. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see that I gained 1.5 inches in length and girth with the Bathmate X30. Sorry, 1 inch girth, 1.5 inches length over the course of 6 months. So the Hercules is definitely a quality pump. If you're looking into Bathmate for the first time, you just have to find out where your priorities lie. If you want the most cost-effective way to gain size, then the original Hercules model, which I have in my hands, is the pump for you. In the long run, you'll see the same size increases as the Hydromax X40, but in my opinion, what you sacrifice in price, you sacrifice in comfort, and the speed of your results. So as the Hydromax X40 has all the same specs, or sorry, X30 has all the same specs, but is much more refined and improves the quality of suction and the comfort level while wearing the device. So I'd recommend both of these devices for different reasons, the Hydromax X30 or the Hercules. I'd recommend both of them for different reasons, and in the long run they'll both deliver the same results. They're both backed by Bathmate's rigorous product quality testing and money-back guarantee, and it has an amazing customer service department if you have any issues with the device. The Hercules I would recommend if you're looking for a quality pump and want to save some money. It's the one of their original models. It's the one that started like the Bathmate craze. Or the updated version, the Bathmate Hydromax X30 or X40, which is the same size, the X30, the same size, but delivers on comfort and increased suction levels. I put a link below the video where you can check out the official Bathmate Hercules and the Bathmate Hydromax X40 and X30 website. Overall, I lean towards the updated version, the Bathmate X40, for comfort and quality / speed of the gains you'll see from the device. But at the end of the day, you'll see gains from both devices as they're both quality devices. So check out the official Bathmate website below the video. The link links to a discount at the time. I don't think it links to a discount anymore. You can check that out. But check it out regardless, the official Bathmate website. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave me a comment, private message on YouTube, or an email through my website, and I will get back to you within a week. So I'm Derek White from TopEnhancementReviews.com, and I hope you've enjoyed this Bathmate Hercules review. Talk to you guys later.